What happens when one military strike shakes the world? From Paris to Manila, voices are rising. Here's what you need to know. On June 22, 2025, the US launched direct strikes on 3 of Iran's most sensitive nuclear sites. President Trump claimed Iran was weeks away from building a nuclear weapon, but US intelligence disagreed. The result? An immediate global outcry. In Paris, protesters gathered near the Eiffel Tower, waving anti-war banners and demanding restraint. One protester called the attack dangerous and irresponsible. Similar scenes unfolded in Islamabad, where crowds accused the US of violating international law and warned of the risks to regional peace. Athens saw students and workers join together, chanting "Stop the war" and urging leaders to keep hands off Iran. In Manila, peace activists rallied outside the US embassy, warning that further escalation could spark consequences far beyond the Middle East. And it wasn't just overseas. In cities across the US, Americans themselves took to the streets, calling for an end to military intervention. Experts warn this is a major escalation, one that could draw other powers into the conflict and fundamentally change regional alliances. As protests sweep the globe, one message is clear. People everywhere are urging diplomacy, not destruction.